If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
Good morning everyone. Hello. Good morning everyone. Today also we are going to discuss objective bits on differentiation. Listen. The function g of x defined by g of x is equal to x power 200 by 200 plus x power 199 divided by 199 plus and so on plus x square by 2 plus x plus 5 then g dash of 0. Here given g of x is x power 200 by 200 x power 199 divided by 199 plus and so on. Then find g dash of 0. First to find g dash of x, find the derivative, then at x equal to 0. Listen. G dash of x, g dash of x, derivative of x power 200, that is 200 x power 199 divided by 200. Derivative of x power 199, 199 x power 198 divided by 199 plus and so on. Derivative of x square, that is 2x. Derivative of x 1. Derivative of 5 constant, that is 0. 200, 199 and so on up to 2 by 2 remaining. Then g dash of x is equal to x power 199 plus x power 198 plus and so on x plus 1. Put x equal to 0, then g dash of 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus and so on 1. G dash of 0 is equal to 1. Right? Okay, na? Right. Next question. Right, next one. If x is equal to ct, y equal to c by t, then find dy by dx at t is equal to 2. If x is equal to ct and y is equal to c by t, then find dy by dx at t is equal to 2. Okay, na? Listen. X is equal to ct. Differentiation with respect to t. Dx by dt. C into derivative of t with respect to t. 1. So that is the c. Here y is equal to c by t. Dy by dt. C into derivative of 1 by x form. Derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So 1 by t, derivative of 1 by t with respect to t, that is minus 1 by t square. Dy by dt, it is a dx by dt. Now dy by dx, dy by dx minus c by t square divided by c. It is a minus c by t square divided by c. C remove, we get minus 1 by t square. It is dy by dx. But find dy by dx at t is equal to 2. So dy by dx at t is equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 2 square, that is 4. Okay, na? Minus 1 by 4. Dy by dx at t is equal to 2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Right. Right. Completed? Right, next question. Next, if y is equal to log of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. If y is equal to log of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, then dy by dx is equal to dash. That means to find dy by dx. Listen, we know that log of a by b is equal to log a minus log. Okay, man? Log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Now it is log of numerator term a, denominator term b. Log of a by b, that means log a minus log b. So y is equal to log of 1 minus x square minus log of 1 plus x square. Okay, na? Log of a by b form. Log a minus log. It is a y. Find dy by dx. That means a differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, what about derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log f of x, 1 by f of x into f dash of x. Formula sum. Derivative of log f of x, 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So log f of x form 1 divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, na? Log f of x, 1 by f of x into derivative of 1 minus x square, that is minus 2x. Derivative log of 1 plus x square, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square. That is a 2x. Here, what about LCM? 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square LCM. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. By cross multiplication, minus 2x into 1 minus 2x. Minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube. 1 into minus 2x minus 2x. Minus x square into minus 2x plus 2x cube. Minus 2x cube plus 2x cube remove. Then we get minus 2x is equal to, that is 1 minus x power 4. Okay, na? It is a log of a by b form. Log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So log of 1 minus x square minus log of 1 plus x square. Then the derivative of log f of x form. What is the formula? Derivative of log f of x? 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So derivative of log of 1 minus x square is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square. That is minus 2x. Derivative of 1 is 0, x square is 2x. It is also same. Derivative of log of 1 plus x square, that is 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Next LCM. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square LCM. Then cross multiplication. Minus 2x into 1 minus 2x. Minus 2x into x square is minus 2x. 1 into minus 2x minus x square into minus 2x. Minus 2x cube plus 2x cube remove. Then we get minus 4x divided by denominator a minus b into a plus b form. We get 1 minus x power 4. Right? Okay, na? Right, next question. If the function g of x is equal to k root of x plus 1 k root of x plus 1 condition 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Next mx plus 3 mx plus 2 3 less than x less than or equal to 5 is differentiable at x is equal to 3, then k plus m is equal to dash. Then k plus m is equal to. Listen carefully. If the function is differentiable at x equal to 3, already given the function is differentiable. Already differentiable means it is also continuous. Every differentiable function is continuous function. But every continuous function need not to be differentiable. What is the difference between continuous and differentiable? If the function is a continuous means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. If the function is a differentiable means left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. Continuous difference. Here given it is the function is a differentiable. So it is also clearly it is continuous also. Given f of x, g of x is differentiable at x is equal to 3. So it is also continuous at x is equal to 3. Given function is differentiable, so it is also continuous. So we get two equations. Continuous is one equation, differentiable is another equation. So that is limit x tends to 3 minus g of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus g of x. It is a left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit function is a k root of x plus 3. Right hand limit is mx plus 2. So that is limit x tends to 3 minus directly k root of x plus 1. It is a limit x tends to 3. Right limit function is mx plus 2. If x is equal to 3, it is a root of 4. Root 4 value 2, na? We get a 2k is equal to 3m plus. It is equation 1. It is continuous. Next, differentiable. Next equation. Differentiable means derivative. Whatever derivative of root of k plus root x formula, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2. So, k into derivative of root 1 by 2 root of x plus 1 is equal to derivative of mx is m. Derivative of 2 is a constant to 0. So here already limit is 3. Limit already given a 3. It is continuous and differentiable. So limit x tends to 3. Okay, na? What about the total value? Limit x tends to 3. Derivative of root, that is 1 by 2 root is equal to derivative of mx plus 2 is m. Whatever, if x tends to 3, so here denominator value 4, na? 2 into root 4, x value 3, it is a k by 4 is equal to m. K is equal to 4m. By solving these two equations, we get from 102 k is equal to 8 by 5 and m is equal to 2 by 5. Now k plus m, 8 by 5 plus 2 by 5, 10 by 5, we get 2. Okay, na? Here given the function is a differentiable at x equal to 3. So that means if the function is a differentiable means it is also continuous. So it is a continuous, we get one equation. By applying a differentiable, we get another equation. By solving these two equations, we get a k and m values. Then sum of that k and m is 2. Right? Right? Next question. The differential coefficient of next question. The differential coefficient of log x base 10 with respect to log 10 base x is the differential coefficient of log x base 10 with respect to log 10 base x. Okay? Let first function u is equal to log x base 10 and v is equal to log 10 base x. First function u, second function v. It is clearly log a base b form. It is log x divided by log 10. Log a base b, log a by log. Here v is equal to log 10 divided by log x. Okay, na? So here the function is in terms of x, log x. Log 10 is a constant. Du by dx. 1 by log 10 constant into derivative of log x. That is 1 by x. So 1 by x log. Second one. It is a dv by dx log 10 into Derivative of log 1 by log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. It is a derivative of 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square into derivative of log x, that is 1 by x. So it is a minus log 10 divided by x log x whole square. It is dv by dx. Okay, na? But dv by du by dv. Coefficient of log x is done with respect to means denominator. It is a denominator, it is the numerator. Now du by dv. Here du is 1 by x log 10 divided by, that means clearly reciprocal, x into log x whole square divided by minus log 10. Numerator x, denominator x remove. Log 10 into log 10 whole square minus log x by log 10 whole square. Log x by log 10 means log x base 10 whole square. It is a minus log x whole square by log 10 whole square. Log x by log 10 whole square. Log x by log 10 means log x base 10 whole square. Right. Okay, na? Right. Next. If tan inverse of x square plus y square equal to alpha, then dy by dx is equal to dash. Then dy by dx. Y is equal to tan, sorry, if tan inverse of x square plus y square is equal to alpha, given tan inverse of x square plus y square equal to alpha. What about x square plus y square? It is equal to tan alpha. Then apply differentiation. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of y square with respect to x, 2y dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan alpha. Generally derivative of tan x, secant square x, but it is alpha constant. So derivative of tan alpha with respect to x, it is 0. In case it's having tan x, derivative of tan x is secant square x. It is a tan alpha constant. So derivative of constant is equal to 0. 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. Both sides remove that 2. Then dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Right. Okay, Amma? Right. Next question. If next question, Amma. If x power y is equal to e power x minus 1. If x power y is equal to e power x minus y, then dy by dx is equal to, okay na? X power y equal to e power x minus 1. Taking log x power y is equal to log e power x minus 1. Okay na? Taking log. Nowadays, y log x is equal to x minus y log e. Y log x is equal to x minus y log e. We know that log e is equal to 1. Base is 1. So, this total value is equal to 1. Y log x is equal to x minus 1. Y log x is equal to x minus 1. Then it is x is equal to y log x plus y na? Y log x. So it is y into 1 plus log x is equal to x na? Y log x plus y. Then y common term. Y is equal to x divided by 1 plus log x. Then apply differentiation. Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x whole square. 1 plus log x into 1 minus x into 0 plus 1 by x. Derivative of u by v form. Okay, na? Denominator v square, numerator v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So it is the x by x remove, plus 1 minus 1 remove. Then we get log x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. Right. Right. My next question. If g is the inverse of a function f, next one. If g is the inverse of a function f, g is the inverse of a function f, and x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x power 5, then g dash of x is equal to dash. Listen once again. If g is the inverse of a function f and f dash of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x power 5, then g dash of x is equal to, listen, g is inverse of a function f. That means g dash of x, sorry, f is g is equal to f inverse of x. Okay, na? G is a inverse of a function f. G of x is equal to f inverse of x. then it is a f circle g of x is equal to x. It is a given. G is the inverse of a function f. G of x is equal to f inverse of x. Then it is f circle g of x is equal to x. It is f of g of x is equal to x. Okay, na? F circle g of x, that is f of g of x. Then apply differentiation. It is f dash of g of x into g dash of x is equal to derivative of x is 1. Okay, na? Derivative f of g of x. Derivative is f dash of g of x into derivative of g of x. Okay, na? Next, g dash of x is equal to 1 divided by f dash of g of x. Okay, na? Cross multiplication. G dash of x is equal to 1 divided by f dash of g of x. Next, g dash of x is equal to 1 divided by equal to 1 by 1 plus x power 5. In case f dash of 2 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 2 power 5, na? F dash of 10 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 10 power 5. But here, instead of x, having g of x. Okay, na? Given f dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x power 5. Clearly, f dash of g of x, that is 1 divided by 1 plus g of x whole power 5. Okay, na? Numerator 1 same as it is. Here, denominator f dash of g of x. F dash of g of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus g of x whole power 5 according to given condition. So it is g dash of x, it is converted to numerator 1 plus g of x whole power 5. Ready? Ready, ma? Right, next question. If f dash of x is equal to sin of log x and y is equal to f of y is equal to f of 2x plus 3 divided by 3 minus 2x. Y is equal to f of 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. If f dash of x equal to sin of log x and y is equal to f of 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x, then find dy by dx. Listen. Here y is equal to f of 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. dy by dx, derivative dy by dx. It is f dash of 2x plus 3 divided by 3 minus 2x into derivative 2x plus 3 divided by 3 minus 2x. Okay, na? In case it is, for example, y equal to f of x, y equal to f of x, it is y dash is equal to only f dash of x. But instead of x, given function that is 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. So, must and should, you have to find again the derivative. That is the derivative of 2x plus 3 divided by 3 minus 2x. Next, dy by dx is equal to, it is f dash of, given f dash of x equal to sine of log x. Given f dash of x is equal to sine of log x. But here, instead of x, the function is 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. That is equal to sine log of, what about x value? It is a 2x plus 3 divided by 3 minus 2x. Given f dash of x equal to sine of log x. F dash of x equal to sine of log x. Okay, but it is a f dash of 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. So sine log of this x value 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. It is a derivative of u by v form. Derivative of u by v. So 3 minus 2x whole square u by v formula. 3 minus 2x into derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2 minus 2x plus 3 into minus 2. Derivative of u by v, vu dash minus uv dash divided by this. Next, it is a plus 6. Plus 6, 12 minus 4x plus 4x ring. Okay, na? It is a 6 plus 6, 12 divided by 3 minus 2x whole square. 12 divided by 3 minus 2x whole square into sine log of 2x plus 3 divided by 3 minus 2x. Remaining same value. Okay, na? Listen carefully. Here y equal to f of 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. dy by dx. So f dash of into derivative of this function. Here given f dash of x equal to sine of log x, f dash of x. But here instead of x is 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2. So sine log of 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. It is a derivative of u by v form. After calculation, we get it is a 12 divided by 3 minus 2x whole square. Remaining same value, sine log of 2x plus 3 by 3 minus 2x. Right. Ready? Next. Okay, next question. If 2 power x minus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus 1, then dy by dx is equal to, if 2 power x minus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus y, then dy by dx. Listen. LHS 2 power x minus 2 power y. LHS 2 power x minus 2 power y. RHS 2 power x plus y, that is 2 power x into 2 power y, na? 2 power x into 2 power. Then divided by 2 power x by 2 power x into 2 power y minus 2 power y by 2 power x into 2 power y is equal to what? 2 power x by 2 power x name. 2 power y divided by 2 power y name. Then it is 2 power minus y minus 2 power minus x is equal to 1. Then differentiation. 2 power minus y log 2 into minus dy by dx. What is the formula? Derivative of a power x form. Derivative of a power x log a. So into derivative of minus y minus derivative of 2 power minus x. 2 power minus x log 2 into derivative of minus x, that is a minus, is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, na? Next. It is a minus of minus plus. Okay, na? Both sides log 2 green or throughout the equation. So it is a 2 power minus y log 2 dy by dx is equal to 2 power minus x log 2. Log 2 ring. Okay, na? dy by dx is equal to 2 power minus x divided by 2 power minus divided by. Then it is converted to numerator, it is a 2 power plus 1. So 2 power y minus x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 power y minus x. Right? Tomorrow we will start new topic, that is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, differentiation. First exercise objective also completed. Tomorrow we will start Lagrange's mean value theorem. Differentiation next topic. Okay,